Hello, this is part 2 of Fangville. We had to sacrifice one of our friends because we just had to survive.
Yeah, I'm the only one left. I'm gonna go save Jane. Arrow can just go die. Yeah, no one likes that freak. Okay, so set that there.
Rise, my friends, as we capture the new human. Take her down over here to the burial bed. Bite her.
This is totally right.
Oh my god. Shut up, Caitlin, and run away. Caitlin, now you run away. Go to my room, lock the door.